Hi everyone, I welcome you all in the new project. This is like a collection of sci-fi laptop, as you can see in front of your screen. So there are 10 laptops total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And you can see in front of the laptop, each laptop, there are two versions. One is open, I mean the open one, and the one is closed one. That is the only the, when the screen is down, you can see. So you can see from this angle, and you can see from this angle. So it's the back side of the laptops. So this is like a laptop logo, you can see, and the back part, and also in front of the screen. So there are I used three different type of screen and three different type of the sci-fi equation is going on. So this kind of setup is quite good for sci-fi setup, and kind of like interior setup of the of any kind of sci-fi scene. So as you can see, they are fully ready, and this is if you look at these are the 20 and also the one keyboard, and this is the open body and scene. So 10 laptops, so it's like 20, and this is the 21. The keyboard is almost the same. And if you zoom in, you can see that the keyboard is quite detailed. I mean the keyboard is fully fully mesh actually. Okay, so it's like if you zoom in, and you can see they are quite detailed, and you see the building setup. It's like this. So this is the first part. I mean, you are seeing it from the substance. I will continue in Unity. So I think this is the fully ready game asset actually. So you can have it for your projects, and it's a quite good collection to have actually. So it's like I will demonstrate this one in Unity first, and then finally the Unreal. As you can see, oh, there is in the Unity. I will have another section here. It's called the on and off function of the laptop. You will see that in the Unity and Unreal, obviously, and they are ready to import in your projects. So thank you guys, keep watching and keep supporting me. I will come again with another project in the next. So this one, you keep watching. This is the first part is going on. It's like from the substance. Okay, so thank you. Hello everyone. This is the second part of the laptop collection project, Sci-Fi Laptop Collection project. You are seeing it from the Unity. As always, this is the HDRP template and HDRP setup. So as you can see here, the complete project actually, this is the FPX. There are two FPX actually. This one is the open, and this one is the close. I mean you see the in front of you, the screen are dark. Okay, so this one is kind of like close, or the sleep mode of the laptops. Okay, Sometimes the laptop goes to sleep mode, so it's like either it's off or sleep mode, so it's like you can have the two version. Okay. And here is like you can get the obviously the textures are two part. Actually, this is obviously the 4K texture. As you can see here, all the textures are 4K, and also this is the okay, the prefabs. Okay. You can have the prefab. You see the prefab, so that you can drag and drop a laptop in your scene. So you have the laptop off. You see the scene is dark. So it's like the laptop off, and you can have the laptop on option. And finally, you have you have this closed laptop, this one. So I mean the screen is down. You can have this one also. And yeah, obviously you have you have the materials. Actually, the materials are all okay with the mask map, normal map, and all the things. So if I can maximize the view for you, so you can see the quality of the project. I mean, you can see the details of the keys. Okay. You can see the detail of the keys. They are actually the keyboard keys. They are actually the mesh, not texture. Actually, the mesh, and you can see they are applied with the emissive material that actually for the kind of like a keyboard lighting. And also you have these effects are quite cool. Actually, this one is like you have a system and you have the memory option, so that this small screen, they are actually indicating kind of like a sci-fi, the laptop is running properly, this functionalities. So yeah, they are looking quite okay to me. I mean, if you want to have this one, you can purchase it from my asset store, and they are quite okay and ready to merge with your projects actually. So this asset is actually okay with any kind of any kind of modern projects. I mean, the indoor projects, or any kind of sci-fi projects is obviously good, but you can use it with the modern projects also, no problem. So this is, I am concluding the second part. This is from the Unity guys. You will be and I'll come again with the third part, which is the Unreal. Okay, thank you. Hello guys, this is the third part of the laptop project, and this is the final part. Actually, as you can see, I am using 5.3. So the laptops are in front of you, and like the Unity, you can have the FBX with the FBX in the FBX folder, and also the textures, all the textures, obviously like 4K, as you can see the resolution, and also the materials. This is the materials with the off and materials with open. Open means this one, the back one, and the off means this one. So there are two separate materials. So don't worry about the project setup. The project is completely set up with the folders, so it's like you can merge it with your scene actually. And I use a little bit of post processing there for the final result. So if you go to the maximize view, you can have a look that yes, this is looking quite okay. I mean this one, okay, this one, and you have an option. If you notice that emissive is quite bright, you have an option to, you know, minimize or set the emissive light according to your, or emissive effect according to your needs actually. So you can have this one actually, and this is like a screen is a bit glossy, that's why you are seeing this effect. It's quite okay. You can minimize the glossiness of the screen, no problem. So you see, this is the back part and this is the front part. So in the game, or in the project, you will have the two variations, this one, this two, and this two. Okay, this two is the off, and this two this function is the on function. I mean the some equation is going on, and you know, you can set the sound that some sort of sci-fi equation is going on, and it's the laptop is in on the desk actually, sci-fi desk. So it will be very good to have such kind of environment and such kind of scenario. So guys, this is the end part, and I will suggest you to, if you like this one, go to my asset store, and if you don't find, please just ask me that you need this asset. I will be very helpful. I will be glad to know that you are using my assets actually. So I'll come again with the new project, and till then, please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook. This is Oppo Art actually. You will find all the links in the about section of my page, or in the YouTube channel. You can find my portfolio, and you can find my every details on there, and if you need any further queries, you just DM me, no problem. I will glad to give you an answer. So thank you guys. Again, I will come with some new projects. So till then, bye. Thank you.